Hi everybody, Bob here, and today I've got a couple of things on the go, hopefully some fun stuff for you guys. Hopefully you caught my video 2-3 weeks back where I announced the giveaway of the watch from Mass Watches along with some watch straps. In that same video, I asked if anybody had any questions for an upcoming Q&A, and I would do my best to answer those. So today is the day we're going to be doing the Q&A, and at the end of the video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the watch and strap, so make sure to stick around for that. But first, let's get to some questions. So I've got the questions printed off here, and the first question comes from Douglas Cobb, and he asks, what was the first watch you owned and do you still have it? The first watch I remember owning, and I think it was either my 10th or 11th birthday, I got a Timex Ironman. It was either black and yellow or black with orange accents. Loved that watch. It may still exist in my parents' basement in a box. I have 2 or 3 boxes there from back when I was a kid, so I have to go through it at some point in time. They live quite a ways away from me, and I'm not able to get there very often, but at some point I'd love to do a little hunt for that watch. I did at one point a couple of years back get a Timex Todd Snyder reissue of the Iron Man. Very similar to the watch. I bought it as kind of a placeholder, but it ended up going away as part of a trade. But that was actually a pretty cool watch to have too. So that was the first watch, at least the first watch I remember owning. Question number 2 comes from Lou Keller, and Lou asks, what makes a watch manufacturer a micro brand, and are they limited in production numbers? And that's a really good question and kind of a tricky one too, because I think if you ask 10 different people that, you'd probably get 10 different answers. In my eyes, there's no limit to production numbers. I know with microbrewery beers, they are limited to so many thousand barrels per year before they lose that status, but I don't think it's the same with micro brand watches. To me, it's more of a feeling. It's more how the company's operated. I deal with a bunch of different micro brands. Some of them are family operated. Some of them are just a solo one guy or girl, and they're doing everything, the shipping, the receiving, customer service, social media, the whole smash completely on their own. And when you call them up, you're talking to the owner of the company. To me, those are micro brands. Once companies start having departments like social media departments, customer service, shipping, PR, all of that sort of thing, they kind of lose that micro brand feel in my eyes. And so, yeah, it's hard to give a black and white answer to that one, but it's more of a feel thing to me. Question number 3 was actually asked by 3 of you guys, Daniel Hill, Adrian Baccieri, and I apologize, Adrian, I'm sure I mispronounced your last name. Also, Jeffrey Wood asked, what is my current Grail watch? And this is a tricky one for me because there's quite a few watches on the list, but the one watch I've been looking at the most lately, and not too long ago got to have one on wrist just briefly, but the Zenith El Primero Revival, the A384, is a beautiful watch. I love the vintage style. I love a Panda Dial chronograph, and that thing is gorgeous. Second pick, another watch that I'd love to find, especially one that's in really good condition, which is going to be almost impossible, would be a birth year Golden Tuna, 1978 Golden Tuna. I've seen quite a few for sale, but really beat up. They need a lot of work. I'd like to find a really good example of one of those too. That'd be great to have both of those watches in the watch box. The next one comes from Joe Green, and if you don't know Joe and you're on Instagram, give him a follow. I'm going to put his Instagram handle up on screen here right now. Really good guy, awesome collection too. He asks, why would you shave that magnificent beard? And I gotta say, Joe, I am really missing the beard. The beard will be making a comeback big time here very soon. Might wait till the end of the summer, but it's definitely coming back. Question number 5 comes from Andy B, and he asks, I'm curious on the make and model of the drone you use for the beautiful videos you make. Thanks a lot for that, Andy. The drone that I've been using for the last year or so is the DJI Mavic Mini. It's a really good drone and I highly recommend it. You actually inspired me to bring the drone along to our cottage last weekend to get some shots for today's video. I'll probably close out the video with a little bit more footage of the flight, but Couple of things about the drone if you're considering one, especially if it's your first drone, is number one, the ease of use. From day one, you'll be able to get this up in the air and get some really cool shots. Number two, it is very compact. I like to use it for travel, so the smaller the better when it comes to traveling, and also the weight. The weight on the Mini is 249 grams, and a whole lot of countries, including where I live, any drone over 250 grams, there's heavier restrictions, so that's nice too. So great drone, quite affordable, and again, just a lot of fun to use. Next up is a question asked by 3 people. In the giveaway video, we were talking straps quite a bit. 3 of you guys asked what is my favorite type of strap. Doyle 777, Tom Frost, and Peter 2704. And my favorite type of strap has to be a good 2-piece leather strap. I just have to say right now, you guys have no idea how good it smells in here. I love the smell of leather. I enjoy probably the most a really good bracelet, but when it comes to straps, a nice leather is definitely my favorite. Love NATOs, love rubber straps, nylons. I love them all, and I really enjoy swapping out different styles of straps, but my absolute favorite is a nice 2-piece leather strap. The last question before we get to the giveaway comes from Stefan Vandeven, and he asks, now that the SKX is no longer in production, which is the best option, Orient or Citizen entry-level divers? That's a really tough question. I love both of the brands. Both are excellent options. For me, I lean toward the Orient. I just like the style a little bit more. You can get a really good deal on the Ray 2s, the Mako 2s. Spend a little bit more and get the Komatsu. They're fantastic watches, but you definitely cannot go wrong with the Citizen ProMaster either. So that's it for the questions today. Let's switch things up, take a look at what's up for grabs, and draw the winner of the giveaway. Okay, so quick rundown of what is up for grabs, and these products all came in free to the channel, so thank you very much to the 3 brands, Blushark, Zoan watch straps, and Mass watches. So as far as straps go, there are 3 straps from Blushark. We have this really nice orange single pass rubber strap, perfect for summer, should be a fun strap to wear. Next is a strap that'll really dress up the Mass watch. This is a croc strap from Blushark with deployant clasp. All of the straps here are very good quality, and my favorite combination actually for the Mass was the Cordura, the silver Cordura. Good strap. The next 2 straps will not go with the Mass, as they are SKX fitted straps, a blue and black, good quality material. I'll leave a link to Zoan where you can find those straps. Links to all 3 companies will be in the description below. Last up is the Mass JCB, a really good everyday watch. You can dress it up, dress it down. Nice engraving on the case back. So we will draw the winner now, and I'll put it up on screen. The winner of the watch and straps is Ian Gilchrist. Huge congratulations, Ian. I'm really glad that you won, and I look forward to getting this stuff out to you as soon as possible. All you have to do is email me at timetogo1978@gmail.com with your shipping information, and I'll get these out ASAP. Thanks a lot for everybody that entered the giveaway. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We will definitely be doing it again at some point in time, another giveaway, so look out for that. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. one trick that did you see me do the nose tap?
Yeah, yeah.
I do that all the time.
Go take another shot.
Yeah. No. It's trying to... There we go. It was trying to return to home.